welcome back to my YouTube channel. As I promised in my last video that we're going to start with core strengthening exercises. So why strong core is important? It's because that our core is the powerhouse of our body. It not only connects the upper and the lower body together, but also gives an upright posture with good balance and stability. And not to forget that feel good factor which comes with those flat abs. So let's begin with the first exercise. So our first exercise will be ab prep, in which I will be giving you 3 modifications for beginner, intermediate and advanced. So let's lie down in supine position. With your feet on the mat and your knees are bent, your arms are by your side. Your pelvis is going to be in a neutral position. So rock your pelvis and stay right in the center. Slight gap in the spine and the mat in neutral position. Arms are by your side, abs are fully contracted. You're looking up towards the ceiling. Make sure that your chin are not jamming towards your chest and not away from your chest as well. Inhale first and exhale, flexing your spine, curling your spine off the mat and your arms are in your shoulder level. Make sure that you're not elevating your shoulders. Keep your shoulder down and stabilize. Keep looking towards your knees. From here, just 3 pulses with your abs. So 1, 2, 3. Inhale to hold and exhale slowly with control, lengthen back on the mat. One more time, inhale and exhale, flexing your spine with control, shoulders down and look towards your knees. From here, pulse for 3, 2, 1. Inhale to hold and exhaling, lengthen back. So the next variation will be for intermediate and advanced both. So make sure that your knees are bent in this one as well and your feet are hip distance apart. Rock your pelvis away from you and closer. Stay in the center. Now inhale first and exhale. Blow those candles so that your spine is imprinted on the mat. Once your spine is imprinted, one leg in tabletop position and the other leg in tabletop position. Squeeze your legs together. Make sure that your legs are not collapsing over your pelvis. Keep it 90-degree angle here. Your arms are behind your head. Do not open your elbows too much and do not close too much. Keep it right in the knee. Inhale first and exhaling, flexing or curling your spine and looking towards your knees. Engage your core completely and give 3 pulses with your abs for 1, 2, 3. Inhale to hold and exhale, lengthen back. One more. Inhale and exhale. And 1, 2, 3. Inhale to hold and exhale, lengthen back. This was for the intermediate. To make it more advanced, you can extend your knees here and your legs in 45-degree angle. Make sure that you're not arching your back here. Keep your spine imprinted. Inhale and exhale, flexing your spine, your abs completely contracted. Keep looking towards your toes and 3 pulses. 2, 3. Inhale to hold. So our next exercise will be toe taps, again with 3 variations for beginner, intermediate and advanced. So let's lie down in supine position. Your feet hip distance apart and your pelvis stays right in the neutral position to begin with. Now from here, inhale and exhale, blow those candles. Your spine stays in imprinted position, arms are by your side. From here, exhaling, lifting your right leg up and your foot will be pointed and down. Make sure that you're not arching your back here. Keep contracting your abdominals. Going up and down. Exhale up and down. Exhale up, inhale down. So this was for the beginner level. For intermediate level, staying in your imprinted position, one leg in tabletop position and the other leg in tabletop position. Make sure that your legs are in hip distance apart. Your arms are going to be behind your head. Inhale to begin with and exhale, flexing your spine and you're looking towards your knees. and your toes are going to be pointed position. Keep contracting your abdominals from here. Exhaling, toe touching on the mat without arching your back. Bring your left leg down and up back to the center. Keep looking towards your knees and back to the center. Toe touching and back to the center. Now for your advanced level, I want to squeeze your legs together and your arm stays behind your head. Keep looking towards your knees here. Now, toe tapping on the mat. Make sure that your pelvis is completely stable. Extend those knees, abducting and widening your legs. Legs back in tabletop position. Toe tapping on the mat. Legs in tabletop. Extend your knees, widening your legs, back to tabletop, and slowly lengthen your spine back on the mat. One leg down, the other leg down, and relax. I hope that everyone enjoyed this exercise as well. I really hope that everyone felt that fire in their abs. And also, my next video again will be focusing on core strengthening exercises. And if you enjoyed the video, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Until then, keep yourself fit and strong. See you soon.